In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a YouTube channel step by step, including the key optimization settings that most people miss that will help you maximize your results, even if you've already started. Hey, it's Justin Brown here from Primal Video, where we help you amplify your business and brand with video. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, and all the links to everything we mentioned in this video, you can find linked in the description box below. So let's jump into it. Now, YouTube has become the second most popular search engine in the world. So it's no wonder that more and more people want to get on the platform and to learn how to make a YouTube channel of their own. So with the right process and a little optimization of some key channel settings, you can quickly set yourself up and your new channel up for success, ready to maximize your views, your subscribers, and your traffic on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to step you through how to create a new YouTube channel along with all the key settings that you need to maximize your results. Now, I really want to make sure that you're paying attention here, because as we go through this, I'm going to be covering off the top tips that we've learned to really help you optimize your channel and your content so that YouTube wants to promote it. Now, I also want to let you know that what we've built out in the description below this video is essentially a resource or a toolkit for helping you set up your channel, including videos, including all of the resources, the gear, the software, the tools, the stuff that we use and that we recommend, but also direct links to tutorials that are going to help you dive deeper in some of the things that we are covering relatively fast in this video. Things like your branding and thumbnails and channel art. All of those, we have dedicated walkthrough tutorials on those specific elements if you do want to dive deeper on them. And they're all linked in the description below. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to youtube.com and click sign in the top right hand corner, and you're prompted to log in. So if you've already got a Google account or a Gmail email address, this is where you will log in with that if you want to associate that with your YouTube account. If you don't have one yet, then you can just click create account down here and create one. Now, before we go any further in this tutorial, there are two types of channels that you need to be aware of. The first is a personal channel, and that is linked to your personal Google or your personal Gmail account, and only you can access, or only people who are logging into that exact account with that username and password are able to manage that YouTube channel. The other thing to note with the personal channel is that the YouTube channel name is going to be restricted to your account name, which in most cases is going to be your own name. But the second option you have is to create your YouTube channel instead of as a personal channel, as a brand channel. Now, this is going to give you access to things like a custom channel name, so it doesn't need to just be your personal name. And you can also assign other people or other Google accounts as channel managers on your channel. So you don't need to be giving out your personal Google account login details to anyone that you want to have help out with your channel. You can actually just grant them access with their login details to access your channel. So you'll need to select either a personal channel or a brand channel, but do note that you can switch from a personal channel to a brand channel at a later date if you'd like to change later, or if you've maybe already set up as a personal, you can convert it over to a brand channel later. But what I would recommend and what we use is a brand channel so that we can have multiple people managing the channel. So once you've signed into YouTube using your Google account, you can come up to the top right-hand corner to your little profile picture. And if you don't have a channel yet, this is your first time logging in, you can click here to create a channel. Now, if you already have an existing channel, when you click on this, you'll be able to access your channel, but maybe you want to create a brand new brand channel. So that's where you'll have to come down here to settings, then go over to add or manage your channels. And in here, it will show all the channels that you already have access to. You can create a new channel just by hitting the plus button in the top left-hand corner. So going back over to our new channel setup, this is where it's asking us if we want to create a personal channel using our name, or if we want to use a custom name, which is creating a brand channel. So I'm going to select brand channel. Now, this is where you get to decide your YouTube channel name. Now, it could be that you're still opting to use your personal name. And if you're not going to go with your name, I would suggest to try to keep it on topic or somehow related to the content that you are going to be adding to your channel. But do note that it is possible to change your channel name after you have set it, so it's not so much of a big deal. Now, we have got a video specifically on this topic, selecting your channel name, talking you through a couple of different processes and a couple of different things that you can do to help you land on the perfect channel for you. So again, that's going to be in the resources below this video, and I'll also link it up in the cards now too. Let's call this super awesome channel. I understand I am creating a new Google account with its own settings. So if we go create, it'll go through and do its thing. And then we get presented with this. Nice work. Your channel, super awesome channel has been created. It's giving us the next step here, which is to upload a profile picture. So we'll just go upload picture. You want to navigate through and find a picture. We'll put this one here in. Once you've got your profile picture in, you can come down and they're asking you now to tell your viewers about your channel. So this is your YouTube channel description. So what you want to add into this section here is a few sentences or a short, sharp paragraph, including who you are, what your channel is about, and what viewers can expect on your channel. What's the type of content that you're putting out? Now, a pro tip here is that you can actually optimize this up to help your channel rank by adding in some keywords and some key phrases around the content that you're going to cover here. So it's important to add some of those keywords and key tags into the channel description here, also into the channel tags, which we're going to get to soon, and also inside the videos themselves. That is going to give you the best chance of getting your videos and your channel ranking on YouTube faster. Now make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you our YouTube ranking guide to help you do this for your videos and for your channel. So here's our channel and our channel description to give you an idea of the types of things that you can put in there. We've got a bit of an intro, welcome to Primal Video, introducing myself and Mike and what we do. We're talking about the types of videos that we're putting out on this channel. We ask people to subscribe if they think that's a fit for them. And we've also got linked here a resource to one of our video editing guides. But you can see in this description, we've got a few keywords that are related to the content we are creating. So video creation, we've also got video editing tutorials, gear reviews, video production tips and tricks, video marketing tips, YouTube ranking tutorials. So this is stuff that will read well for a human, but also helps YouTube understand what your channel is about as well. So for the sake of the channel that we are creating now, I'm just going to copy and paste this as the description for the new one. Next up, you're going to add links to your sites and to your social media profile. So we'll add in our website here and we can give it a name. We can add in our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And then we hit save and continue. Okay, when that's complete, the next thing you want to do is to verify your channel. This is going to unlock some extra features and things in here. So you want to come up again to your profile image, come down to settings, down here to channel status and features. You can see these are the different things that you can unlock for your channel. And the first step in unlocking these is verifying your channel. So we'll hit verify. Next, you want to come through, select your country. You can either do it then with an automated voice message or you can get a text message sent to your phone. Then enter the verification code and your channel is now verified. So it doesn't take much to verify your channel and you can see straight away we have access now for custom thumbnails, external annotations, and we can upload longer videos and we can also upload videos as unlisted and as private. So once that's done, you want to go through and set up your actual channel. So if we go up here to return to YouTube Studio, we'll then go to our actual channel. So we'll come up here to view your channel on YouTube and over to customize channel. And this is where we can add in our channel art or our branding to make this look and feel like our brand. Now we have a full walkthrough on creating your YouTube banner, including some really advanced tips and techniques in there as well. Again, it's linked below in the description in that resources area, and I'll throw a link up in the cards as well. But for this one here, I'm just gonna go add channel art. You get to either upload a photo, use any photos that are already uploaded on your Google account, or there's some in the gallery here from YouTube that you can use. So let's just pick this one here. Now you can adjust the crop. You can see that this does look totally different on desktop to TV to mobile. So if you want to adjust the crop and zoom in or crop something out, you can do that in here as well. Maybe position it up a bit. Cool, then hit select. So that's how you can upload your YouTube channel art. So now if we go over to the about page here, again, you obviously see our description in here. If we needed to make any changes to it, we can edit that here. But there's some other details that we can add in down here as well. So for business inquiries, we could add in an email address and go done. So that makes it easy for people to find an email address to contact us. If you want to add a location for your channel, you can do that in here as well. So from here, you want to go back to the YouTube Studio dashboard, down to the bottom to settings, and then down under channel. And in here, there's more settings to customize up your channel first. So where I'm gonna go first is over to this one here, branding. This is a little branding watermark that you can add to your videos. It also acts as a subscribe button. So you could just use your profile picture or you could make some little small subscribe button. So for us, I'm just gonna choose image. Let's go to the desktop. I have a little YouTube watermark subscribe button here, which looks just like this. So something really basic. And then you get to choose where you want this displayed. So whether it's on screen the entire time, whether it starts at 5 seconds in, or whether it's only shown at the end of the video. So I'm going to leave it here that it starts about 5 seconds in, because that's going to be after any ads or anything are shown at the bottom of our video. Then across to advanced settings, this is something that you will need to specify whether your channel is aimed at kids content or whether you're creating content that is made for kids or not. So you will need to specify that yes, this channel is made for kids, it's going to have kids content on it, or no, this channel is not made for kids. Now do note that you also have a third option here that I want to review this setting for every video, so you can manually set this on a per video basis as well. So I'm going to go with no, this channel is not made for kids with this one. If you do have a Google Ads account, you can link it down here by just hitting link. And if we come back across to basic info here, this is where we're able to add in some keywords or some key tags associated with our channel to, again, show YouTube what our channel and our content is about, to give it everything it needs to best show our channel and our videos up in search results and on the YouTube platform. So it could be that you're starting off with some obvious ones here. Justin Brown, Primal video. I'm just pressing the comma, then it applies it as a tag. It could be video marketing, it could be YouTube for business, video editing, filming on iPhone, filming on Android. You get the point. What are the things that people could search for to potentially find your channel? And again, this is where our YouTube ranking guide that I'm going to share with you at the end of this video is going to help you find out what these terms are that your ideal subscribers are searching for, that you can associate with your channel as well, where the content is related. So you want to go ahead and add a few of those in. Now only add them in if they are relevant to your channel. Don't just add spam ones in or ones that are maybe a hot topic right now. You really just want to add in the ones that are relevant to your channel. So below that, you've got upload defaults. Now this is where you can start to streamline your upload process. So every time you upload a video, these could be the default values that are added to each one of your videos. So for the most part, I would say that you leave the title and the description empty because they are going to relate to each video, but maybe you're setting things like every video when you upload it to go as private first while you get it set up, and then you release it at your own time. Likewise with tags, if there's some tags that are going to apply to every one of your videos, like in our case, it could be something like Primal video or Justin Brown, we can add those in here and they are going to show up automatically when we upload every video. And there's more upload defaults under advanced settings here around licensing and allowing comments and those sorts of things that you can lock down as well. So those are the main settings in there that you'll want to go through. So we'll just hit save to back out of that. So now that your channel is pretty close to being set up, we can now go through and add in any managers or any other accounts that we would like to have as managers on our channel. So to do that, come back up to your profile picture, head to YouTube just to take you back to the YouTube dashboard. And then when we click on the profile picture, you're going to get more options in here. So if we then come down to settings, and then you can add and remove managers down here under channel managers, just click on here and you can assign people to be managers on your channel. Now, while we're on this page, I will also show you the view advanced settings in here. So in here, this is where it gives you your user ID, your channel ID, in case you need those to link up things like TubeBuddy or other YouTube channel management tools, which we use and strongly recommend. And the other thing that's on this page is this is where you come to set your custom URL once your channel has been approved for it. So this is where you can have youtube.com/primal video as the link that you give people, instead of having your link a bunch of random numbers and letters. Now there are requirements for this. If we click on this now, it'll tell us in here that in order to have a custom URL, your channel will need to have 100 subscribers or more, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded photo as a channel icon, and have uploaded channel art. So once you've reached those things, that is where you can go back and add that as well. So if we go back to our channel page now, this channel is now set up and ready to go for you to start uploading content. Obviously, all you need to do then is film some videos and come up here and hit upload video, and you're good to go. So that's the complete walkthrough on creating and setting up your YouTube channel. Now, we've mentioned this a couple of times in this video, but linked on screen is our YouTube ranking guide. This is a free download, a free resource for you to help you find high traffic, low competition keywords that you can use to help optimize your channel and your videos to show up in both Google and YouTube search. This is the exact strategy that we use to grow our channel and that we teach our clients and students as well. So click the link to grab your copy, and I'll see you in the next video.